Paracord Lighter Holder or a Paracord Lighter Wrap. Aloha everyone and welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube Paracord family. My name is Dale and today I'm gonna show you how to make this Paracord Lighter Wrap or Lighter Holder. So if you wanna learn how to make it, stay tuned cause tutorial is right around the corner. So for today's project we're gonna need 3 feet of this pink paracord or 1 meter in metric measurements, and also this sky blue paracord 550 total length, again 3 feet or 1 meter, and this lighter. First we're gonna take and cut off the ends of a cord and gut them out. Now we need to join these 2 ends. And now we're gonna take this part, we join them together, and we're gonna put it on the side of a lighter, like this. That way we're gonna hide it later on in the project, so let's start. Take this pink one, make it onto the left side, and with this sky blue on top and under this pink one. And always make sure that your half knot that we created is on the center of a lighter. Now turn it around and do the other side. So the sky blue on top of this pink one, and then under and through the basic half knot. As I said earlier, the important thing is that your half knot is on the center of each side of a lighter, so you're gonna create the firm and the clear structure of a lighter holder or this lighter wrap. Now I'm gonna skip forward. So now when we reach the end, we're gonna take the ends of a cord and we're gonna tuck them in under this Paracord Lighter Wrap. So take it and cut off the small pieces of this excess of a cord. So you're gonna left with the 1 centimeter or a half inch with the ends of these strands. So now we're gonna take this pink one and we're gonna make it uncross the lighter under. So here we are, our Paracord lighter wrap or lighter holder is finished. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and of course don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you're gonna be updated with all our new videos. Until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya. Bye.